Did you know that baking soda was once used by soldiers in World War I to treat gas exposure and infections? It might sound surprising, but this basic white powder has a long history of medical use that most people have never heard about. According to a 2022 Consumer Health Survey, only 1 in 10 people are aware of baking soda's internal health applications. That means millions are missing out on its potential to help with common problems like heartburn, inflammation, and even exercise recovery. And unlike expensive supplements or treatments, baking soda costs just pennies per use. So why has this powerful tool stayed under the radar? It might be because it's cheap, unbranded, and not heavily marketed. But when used correctly, it can be an incredibly useful part of your wellness routine. In this video, we'll take a fresh look at baking soda's lesser-known health benefits. I'll also explain when it should be avoided and who should be careful using it. If you're interested in simple and affordable ways to improve your health, this is one video you won't want to miss. But before we start, let us know in the comments below where you are watching from. I would love to know how far this message is reaching. Number 1, helps manage gout symptoms. Gout is a painful type of arthritis that often appears suddenly with sharp pain, redness, and swelling, usually in the big toe or other joints. It happens because uric acid builds up in the blood, forming sharp crystals in the joints that cause inflammation. Managing gout often involves lowering uric acid levels and easing the pain. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate offers a surprising home remedy. Its alkaline nature helps neutralize excess uric acid in the bloodstream, which can prevent those painful crystals from forming. By helping restore a healthier pH balance, baking soda may reduce how often and how severe gout attacks are. A study in the journal Arthritis and Rheumatism showed that alkaline agents like sodium bicarbonate can dissolve uric acid crystals and help the body remove them through urine, providing relief from gout flare-ups. Many people find that drinking water mixed with half a teaspoon of baking soda helps reduce discomfort during attacks. Besides pain relief, baking soda may also lower inflammation in joints, making movement easier and less painful. However, it's important to use baking soda under a healthcare provider's supervision to avoid any risks. If you want a natural, research-backed way to ease gout symptoms, baking soda could be a simple option from your own kitchen. Number 2, contains antifungal properties. Fungal infections are a frequent problem, often showing up as red, itchy, or flaky patches on the skin. These are especially common in warm and damp areas like the feet. Conditions such as athlete's foot and ringworm are caused by fungi that thrive in moist settings. Though many creams and sprays are available over the counter, you may already have a useful remedy at home: baking soda. What makes baking soda helpful in treating fungal infections is its ability to disturb the conditions that fungi need to grow. When applied to the skin, it creates an alkaline environment that weakens fungal cells and makes it harder for them to grow and spread. This idea isn't based only on tradition. Research backs it up as well. A study published in the journal Mycopathologia showed that a solution with 10 grams of baking soda per litre could slow the growth of 80% of the fungal strains they tested. These results show that baking soda may be an effective natural antifungal option. Using it is straightforward. You can mix baking soda with water to form a paste and apply it directly to the affected skin. Alternatively, you can add it to a warm foot bath to help treat conditions like athlete's foot. Many people notice relief from itching and irritation after a few uses. And since it's gentle and safe, it's a good choice for those who want to avoid harsh chemical treatments. If you're dealing with a persistent fungal infection, this simple and low-cost remedy might be worth a try to help restore comfort and peace of mind. Number 3, helps support detoxification. Baking soda is not just used for baking or cleaning. It's often mentioned for its ability to help with the body's natural detox processes. When mixed with water, baking soda turns alkaline, which allows it to help neutralize acids in and on the body. Many people use baking soda in their baths to help soothe itchy skin, calm irritation, and ease minor rashes. The idea is that soaking in this solution draws out impurities and leaves your skin feeling cleaner and your body more at ease. While the idea of detoxing through the skin isn't fully backed by science, a lot of people report feeling more comfortable and refreshed after these baths. There's more to it internally. Some people believe that drinking a small amount of baking soda mixed with water can help make the blood and urine more alkaline, which might make it easier for the body to remove toxins. Some research supports this idea, especially for certain medical conditions. One study in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that sodium bicarbonate supplements helped slow down the progress of chronic kidney disease by reducing acid levels in the blood. This shows that under a doctor's guidance, baking soda may help with managing acidity and supporting the body's natural detox systems. Still, it's important to know that your body already works hard to keep its pH level balanced, and it's not easy to change this through food or drinks. Using too much baking soda can cause side effects, so it's best to use it in moderation. When used correctly, baking soda can be a low-cost and gentle way to help your body feel more balanced and refreshed. Number 4, might support kidney function. Imagine something as simple as baking soda helping protect your kidneys and support their work, especially if you have chronic kidney disease, CKD. Many people with CKD have trouble removing enough acid from their blood, leading to metabolic acidosis. This extra acid can speed up kidney damage and harm overall health. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, works as a natural antacid, neutralizing acid in the blood. By lowering blood acidity, it can reduce stress on the kidneys and may slow kidney disease progression. This isn't just a home remedy, there's real evidence behind it. A major study in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology followed patients with advanced CKD and metabolic acidosis. Those taking daily sodium bicarbonate had a much slower decline in kidney function compared to those who didn't. In fact, the baking soda group was less likely to reach end-stage kidney disease or need dialysis. The study also showed better blood bicarbonate levels, which is an important measure of acid-base balance. Of course, baking soda isn't a cure and should only be used under medical supervision. Too much can cause issues like high blood pressure or fluid buildup, especially for those with heart or kidney problems. If you or someone you know has CKD, talk to a healthcare provider before trying baking soda supplements. Used carefully and with guidance, this simple kitchen ingredient might help support kidney health and improve quality of life. Number 5, can ease arthritis pain. Imagine finding relief from arthritis pain using something as simple as baking soda, a common ingredient likely already in your kitchen. Arthritis, especially rheumatoid arthritis, causes ongoing inflammation that leads to joint pain, swelling and stiffness, making everyday activities difficult. While many rely on medication and physical therapy, recent studies suggest baking soda might offer a natural and easy way to help ease these symptoms. The science behind this is interesting and encouraging. A 2018 study published in the Journal of Immunology showed that drinking a daily mixture of baking soda and water can affect the immune system. The research found that sodium bicarbonate helps trigger the body's anti-inflammatory response while calming the autoimmune activity responsible for rheumatoid arthritis. Both animal and human subjects experienced lower levels of inflammation markers, and immune cells shifted toward a less inflammatory state. This suggests baking soda could help calm the immune system, reducing joint pain and swelling common with arthritis. For people with arthritis, this research offers hopeful possibilities. Adding a simple baking soda drink or rinse to your daily routine might help reduce inflammation and improve joint comfort. Although more studies are needed to fully understand the long-term effects, the fact that a common household item might ease arthritis pain is worth considering. Sometimes the simplest remedies are right in front of us. Number 6, improves oral health and helps whiten teeth. There's a reason why baking soda is used in so many toothpastes and home dental remedies. It's one of the most effective options for improving oral hygiene and whitening teeth. If you've ever brushed with baking soda, you probably noticed how smooth and clean your teeth felt afterward. That's because it works as a mild abrasive, helping to scrub away surface stains from things like coffee, tea, or other foods that can discolor your teeth. Unlike more aggressive whitening products, baking soda's fine texture helps polish teeth without doing much damage when used properly. But it's not just about a whiter smile. Since baking soda is alkaline, it can neutralize acids in the mouth. This is important because acid allows harmful bacteria to grow, leading to problems like tooth decay, gum disease, and bad breath. By helping to balance the pH inside your mouth, baking soda makes it harder for these bacteria to survive, promoting healthier gums and cleaner breath. Science backs this up. A study in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry found that toothpastes with baking soda were much better at removing plaque and whitening teeth compared to those without it. Another study showed that baking soda could lower the number of harmful bacteria in the mouth, supporting better oral health overall. Still, it's important not to overdo it. Baking soda is abrasive, and using it too often or brushing too hard can slowly wear down tooth enamel. Most dentists suggest using it only a few times a week and always with a soft, bristled toothbrush. When used the right way, baking soda offers an easy and affordable method to keep your teeth cleaner, whiter, and healthier, right from home. Number 7, helps ease heartburn. Heartburn is a common and often unpleasant feeling that many people deal with, especially after eating a heavy or spicy meal. It usually starts as a burning sensation in the upper part of the stomach and can move up toward the throat. This happens when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, a condition called acid reflux. Other factors such as certain medical conditions like achalasia or eosinophilic esophagitis, along with weight gain or pregnancy, can also increase the chances of experiencing heartburn. While there are plenty of antacid products available in stores, a simple and quick fix might be sitting in your kitchen. Stirring a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water and drinking it slowly has long been used to ease heartburn. The explanation is straightforward. Baking soda is alkaline, which helps to counteract the extra stomach acid that causes the burning feeling. This reaction brings fast relief, which is why it has remained a trusted home remedy for many years. In fact, the medical field recognizes sodium bicarbonate as a quick-acting antacid. A review in the journal Gastroenterology and Hepatology points out its usefulness in easing occasional heartburn symptoms. The method is both easy and convenient. There's no need to visit a pharmacy or spend on costly options. Just a teaspoon of baking soda, some water, and a few minutes can help you feel more comfortable. This simple remedy is part of the reason why baking soda continues to be found in so many homes. For those who want fast and reliable heartburn relief, this everyday ingredient can be surprisingly helpful. Number 8, may help relieve urinary tract infections, UTIs. UTIs are a widespread issue, especially among women, and they often bring pain, a burning feeling while urinating, and the constant urge to go. These symptoms can seriously affect your daily life. While antibiotics are the standard treatment, some people explore natural ways to ease the symptoms and support recovery. Baking soda is one such option that has attracted attention. The idea behind using baking soda for UTIs is based on its ability to reduce acidity. When small amounts of baking soda are mixed with water and taken by mouth, it can help lower the acidity of urine. This shift in pH can create a less welcoming environment for bacteria, possibly slowing their growth and supporting the body's efforts to clear the infection. Making the urine less acidic may also help ease the burning pain during urination. There's some research to support this. A study in the Japanese Journal of Urology followed 33 women with recurring UTIs who were given sodium bicarbonate as part of their care. After 4 weeks, many said their symptoms had eased with less pain and irritation. While the results are encouraging, it's important to understand that baking soda should not replace proper medical treatment, especially for more serious infections. However, as an additional step alongside your doctor's instructions, baking soda might offer some relief. It's low cost and easy to use, making it a useful option for those dealing with mild symptoms. Still, if you have lasting or severe signs of a UTI, you should always speak with a healthcare provider. Used sensibly, baking soda may be a helpful addition for managing urinary discomfort. Number 9, may help improve cancer treatments. The idea that baking soda could assist in cancer treatment might sound surprising, but it's gaining attention among researchers. Cancer cells often grow well in acidic environments, which also make them harder to treat. Baking soda, with its natural alkalizing effects, has been studied for its potential to change the pH around tumours, making conditions less favourable for cancer growth. A notable study published in 2009 in Cancer Research involved injecting sodium bicarbonate into mice with metastatic breast cancer. The results showed a significant reduction in tumour acidity. This change slowed cancer growth and made tumour cells more responsive to chemotherapy. The findings suggest that neutralizing the acidic environment might improve the effectiveness of traditional cancer treatments. Researchers are now looking into whether baking soda or similar antacids could be safely used alongside chemotherapy or other therapies to help patients. However, this research is still early. While results in animal studies are promising, more human trials are needed before baking soda can be recommended as part of cancer treatment. For now, baking soda should not be seen as a cure, but rather a possible support tool in the future. If you or someone you know is undergoing cancer treatment, always check with your healthcare provider before trying any new remedies. Number 10, might help treat canker sores. If you've ever dealt with the sharp pain of a canker sore, you know how much these small mouth ulcers can disrupt daily life. The good news is baking soda could be the easy and affordable remedy you need. Canker sores, also called Aphthous ulcers, often appear due to stress, small injuries inside the mouth, or certain foods. They make eating, drinking, and even talking uncomfortable. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate works well because it neutralizes acids in the mouth and helps balance the pH. This matters since an acidic mouth can slow healing and increase discomfort. Rinsing your mouth with a mix of about half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water can reduce inflammation, ease pain, and speed healing. Science supports this too. A study in the Journal of the American Dental Association showed that sodium bicarbonate rinses significantly lowered pain and helped faster healing in people with recurring Aphthous stomatitis. Researchers said baking soda's mild antiseptic and anti-inflammatory effects keep sores clean and limit bacteria growth, which is important for recovery. Plus, unlike some store-bought treatments, baking soda is gentle and unlikely to cause more irritation. Next time a canker sore appears, try a simple baking soda rinse. It's a natural, science-backed way to ease pain and help your oral health right from your kitchen. Number 11. Can boost exercise performance. Did you know a common kitchen ingredient might improve your workout? Baking soda isn't just for baking or cleaning, it's also used by athletes to enhance exercise and reduce muscle fatigue. Here's how it works. During intense exercise, muscles produce lactic acid, which lowers pH and causes that burning feeling. This acidity contributes to muscle fatigue and often stops you before you want to quit. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate acts as a natural buffer. Taking it before exercise helps neutralize the extra acid in muscles, letting you work harder and longer. This isn't just a myth. A meta-analysis in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research looked at many studies and found that sodium bicarbonate supplements significantly improved performance in high-intensity, short-duration activities like sprinting, swimming, and cycling. The researchers said athletes who used baking soda delayed fatigue and kept up peak performance longer. Usually athletes mix about a teaspoon of baking soda with water and drink it 60 to 90 minutes before working out. But it's important to start with small amounts since too much can cause stomach issues like bloating or nausea. If you want a natural, science-backed way to boost endurance and get more out of your workouts, baking soda might be worth trying. Just check with a health professional before adding it to your routine, especially if you have health conditions. Give it a try and see if it helps in your next training session. Number 12, relieves cold and flu symptoms. When cold and flu season arrives, symptoms like a sore throat, stuffy nose, and congestion can feel overwhelming. Baking soda, a simple and affordable item, can be a helpful tool against these common illnesses. Because of its natural alkaline properties, baking soda can break down thick mucus, helping clear your nasal passages so you can breathe easier. This is useful when dealing with a runny or blocked nose that won't go away. One of the best ways to use baking soda for colds and flu is as a gargle. Mixing half a teaspoon with warm water creates a soothing solution that can calm a sore, irritated throat. Gargling not only eases pain, but also reduces germs and bacteria in the mouth and throat, making it harder for viruses to survive. A study in the Journal of the American Dental Association found that regularly gargling with a baking soda solution can lessen throat irritation and lower microbial presence, helping speed up recovery from upper respiratory infections. Baking soda can also be added to saline nasal rinses to further clear congestion by breaking down mucus and neutralizing acids. It supports your body's defenses and helps you get better faster. So next time you feel sick, consider using baking soda. It's a gentle, science-supported remedy that can make a real difference in how quickly you recover from colds and flu. Number 13, natural deodorant. If you want a simple, natural way to stay fresh all day, baking soda might be just what you need. Unlike many store-bought deodorants that use artificial scents and chemicals, baking soda provides a clean and effective option right from your kitchen. It works by neutralizing the acidic compounds in sweat that cause body odor, while also absorbing extra moisture. This makes it harder for odor-causing bacteria to grow, helping you stay odor-free even on your busiest days. The effectiveness of baking soda as a natural deodorant is not just a claim, it is supported by research. A study in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology showed that sodium bicarbonate significantly lowered underarm odor when applied topically. The study explained that baking soda's alkaline nature helps balance out acids from sweat and bacteria, reducing unpleasant smells. Also, because it contains no parabens, aluminum, or synthetic fragrances, baking soda is a good choice for people with sensitive skin or anyone wanting to avoid harsh chemicals. Using baking soda as deodorant is simple. Just apply a small amount under your arms, either by itself or mixed with a little coconut oil to add moisture. You'll find it keeps you dry and fresh even during exercise or hot weather. While skin types vary and some people might need to check for sensitivity, baking soda remains a popular, natural and eco-friendly option for personal care. So if you want to skip chemical-filled products, try baking soda. It's a straightforward, science-backed way to stay confidently fresh all day. Who should be careful? Although baking soda offers many health benefits, it's important to know it's not right for everyone. Certain people need to be cautious, especially if they plan to use it regularly or in large amounts, whether inside or outside the body. For example, people with kidney problems should be careful because baking soda contains sodium. If kidney function is reduced, the body may struggle to get rid of extra sodium, which can cause fluid buildup and other issues. People with high blood pressure should also be aware that the sodium in baking soda can raise blood pressure, which is risky for those managing hypertension. Likewise, people with stomach problems like gastritis, ulcers, or acid reflux should talk to a doctor before using baking soda, as it can change stomach acidity and possibly make these issues worse. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should be cautious too. Taking too much can upset the body's electrolyte balance, which might affect both mother and baby. Also, those who have allergies or sensitivities could have skin irritation or digestive problems from baking soda, so testing a small amount first is a good idea. Finally, people with breathing issues should avoid inhaling baking soda powder, since it can irritate the lungs and worsen breathing difficulties. Overall, moderation and medical advice are important. If you belong to any of these groups or have health concerns, it's best to talk to a healthcare provider before using baking soda regularly. Have you ever tried baking soda for any of these uses? Or do you have tips of your own? Share your experiences and questions in the comments below. We enjoy hearing from you. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and share it with friends who might find it helpful too. Thanks for watching and supporting our channel.